What's going on, everybody? Today we're at the Venetian, gonna do a room tour of the luxury king suite in room 1410. Let's check it out. So coming into the suite, you have a little entryway here. Not too special. There's the switch for the light. To the left is your bathroom area. So here's your bathroom. You've got a standing shower here for those who want to have a shower. And then you've also got a huge garden tub here right beside the standing shower. So it's a pretty nice bathroom. You got a really nice size mirror here, and then there is a flat screen TV over there. Here's your his and hers sinks. And then over here, you have a mirror and a vanity mirror. So you've got a nice little vanity area for those who may need it. Behind this door is the bathroom. So you've got a private bathroom area. So here's your toilet for the privacy. There's also a phone with that. So if you need the privacy for a toilet area, you've got it. It's a really nice bathroom. Then coming out of the bathroom to the right of the entryway is a full body mirror for those who need it. Then we'll head into the main part of the suite. So here is the suite. This is your luxury king bed. It's a really nice bed, and then you've got a footer at the end of it. To the left here is your closet. So you've got a nice closet area. Got your robe, hangers, and you have a in-room safe here. So if you need the privacy to lock things up, you've got it. Then your ironing board are behind the robes. Here you have a bedside, you have a clock radio. So if you wanna listen to some music, you've got a clock radio for that. And then this is the switch to control the shears and the drapes from the bed. So if you wanna open or close the blinds, as we're about to do in a second, you have that option. And then over here on this side is just phone, and then switch for the lamp. So you have a switch for each lamp bedside for those who may need it. And I said these are the shears and the drapes. So get to control those by the flick of a button, and then there you go. Your view outside. Watch these steps here. Drunken nights might be bad for some people, so be careful with those steps. This is your dining room, living room area. So you have a couch and 2 chairs. Here you have a flat screen TV. And then this is the mini bar area. So they're sensor weighted. If you pull anything off the mini bar, it'll charge you. Down here is another mini bar. Got it locked. Oh no, they did unlock it, okay. So you got another mini wet bar here. This fridge is for those who don't want to go buy liquor or just would like to make in-room alcoholic purchases. That's an option. And these are drawers on both sides. Skip this up here completely, but this is just another, this is like the TV for the bed area. So you've got a flat screen here, and then these are all drawers. There's no mini fridge in here. So if you need storage outside of the closet, you've got plenty of it. This is a dining room table. So as you see, you've got a nice little table. Sit down, have some food, play some cards, poker, whatever you want to do. And this does have a pull-out bed. Not gonna go in super in depth, but the couch does have a pull-out bed. So if you need an extra bed for guests, that's there. And then this is your work desk area. So you see you've got a chair and a lamp. You've got a couple charging ports and USB charger for those who may need to charge things with the USB cable. And then this is your view. So you get a pool view here. There is the main pool right over there, and then this is the secondary pool. So it's a pretty nice view. You get to see some of the strip as well, some of the construction that they're doing outside on the strip. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.